I am Beshwar Gupta, Honours Masters in Inorganic Chemistry from Chittagong University. Chittagong University is one of the most reputed university of Bangladesh. In the previous lecture, I analyzed chemical bond, and further I am also just analyzing the chemical bond elaborately. Chemical bond, what is chemical bond? The world is everything. Everything was created by chemical. Chemical is two kinds. Atom in the world, everything is created by atom. Atomic molecule. Hydrogen 2. 12118. 118 atomic molecule in the world. 92 atomic molecule was found in the universe intact, and other had to create in the laboratory by modern, ultra-modern equipment or machine. Now, chemical bond. I think suppose hydrogen atom. Hydrogen, no atom cannot, except some atom, no atom cannot stay like a atomic molecule. Atom. Hydrogen and hydrogen, two hydrogen create a bond, and H2 double molecule gases, atomic molecule gases. So everyone have a question. Hydrogen bond. What kind of bond it is? It is a covalent bond. What is covalent bond? Covalent bond is a sharing system. Now I am discussing atom. I am sketching about hydrogen atom. There is a proton. Proton is a plus charge, and there is a electron. Hydrogen atom. One proton, one electron. This electron is moving around the proton. Then helium. Proton is the only so much low mass than helium. Helium 4. 2 proton plus 2 neutron and 2 electron. So atom has two parts. One part is nucleus. There are proton and neutron. Two proton, if have two proton, two outer shell mass, outer orbital must be 2 electron. One proton, 1 electron. As such as lithium, helium, lithium. Lithium atomic number is 3. 3 means 3 proton and 3 neutron, maybe 4 neutron, 3 proton, 3 plus. First orbital have 2 electrons. So you have to question if there is over 2 electrons, the first shell, no. Third electron must be outer shell. First orbital 2 electrons, second orbital 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Then 18 such. So atom has 2 portions, nucleus they are combined in proton and neutron, and they are center of atom, and outer shell is electron. Do you understand the system of atom? And now this question is hydrogen, atom, proton, 1 electron. This electron is moving. Why have 2 atoms not stay or remain lowly? Why are they create compound or with each other or anyhow? Because first shell should be 2 electrons. Anyhow 2 electrons. Duet system. Second octet system, 8 electrons. So second hydrogen, proton plus nucleus and 1 electron. Electron moving, electron moving. This electron and this electron, 2 electron bond, created a bond, hydrogen, bond, hydrogen, gas, hydrogen molecule, atomic molecule. This is the sharing system. There is a 2 electron, 1, 2, and there is also 2 electron. It is a share, just like a business amount. So it is called covalent bond. Chemical bond, one is covalent bond. Sharing bond of electron. Then ionic bond. Ionic bond created by atom, 2 atoms, at least 2 atoms. Such sodium. Sodium is a heavy reactive electron metal. Sodium is a metal. Metal is positive. Now, sodium, I have to describe the sodium. Sodium electron number is, atomic number is 11. So its structure, it is structure 2 way, 10. 11, 10, 1. Electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. 1s2 means 2. 2p6, 2, 6, 8, and 3s2. Everybody have a question. What is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1? How Bow principle. What is our Bow principle? Electron firstly go to the 1s orbital. What is 1? What is s? 2s, 2p. There is a question 1s, 1p, not 1p. Why? I will must describe the atomic number or the next lecture if you prefer my lecture. Yes. So 1s must be 2, not then 2 electron. P must be 6 to 1s2, 2s2, 2 to 4, 11, 6, 10, 1s. So electron must be outer shell, 3s. I mean from there electron must be removed. Why? 2s to 2p6, total 8, octet rule. Sodium energy, ionization energy. Sodium plus an electron. Sodium remove away electron because it is a basic metal. And then I am discussing sodium 2 electron, then 8 electron, calculate 2, 8, 10, then 1 electron. Octet rule, maintaining the octet rule, what is the stable? Minus C, 2 electron, 8 electron. This structure is just like a neon, a case, inert case. Now question, helium 2, neon 10, argon 18, krypton 36, and radon, krypton and xenon 54, and radon 86. They are the inner gate. I mean, outer shell is fulfilled, no lone electron. So sodium energy, ion energy, if we keep in the circumstances, they remove electron and sodium ion or cation. Now the question is, where will go the electron? Now chlorine. Chlorine atomic number is 17. 2, 8, 8, 7. First orbital 2, second orbital 8. Fulfilled, 8 fulfilled. Third orbital 8. Sorry, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, and 7. There is a short of electron to create octet. If this electron is come here, and it must be 17 to 18 electron, and 18 electron which are gone. Sodium created just like a neon, and it is just like a argon. Inert gas. gas. And then I'm just describing the system. Sodium, heat, bar, or anything, sodium plus electron, chlorine, this electron, chlorine, ion, anion. Sodium plus and chlorine minus, sodium chloride. Electrostatic force, sodium plus minus electrostatic force. So this is called ionic bond or electrostatic force, electrovalent bond. So we discuss the sodium chloride, how create sodium chloride, different reaction by different reaction. Sodium hydroxide. What is this? Because sodium has a positive basic metal, hydroxide is a minus plus, it is a radical, and ACl, hydrochloric acid. React in a dilution in water. Generally, this reaction is completed by the water. Sodium react with chlorine. Sodium chloride, hydrogen, 2 hydrogen is 2 O. This is the complete reaction. And now we also discuss this sodium chloride extra deep. Suppose calcium hydroxide. I am just explaining the calcium hydroxide. Calcium atomic number is 20. 20, what is 20? 2, 8, 8, 2. Calculate 20. First orbital 2 electron, second orbital 8 electron, third orbital 8 electron, and last orbital 2 electron. Now I am describing calcium system. Calcium, if we give anyhow heat, calcium ionization heat, energy, 2 electron, remove calcium, and created the argon, inorganic argon structure, just like argon structure. Now, calcium atomic number 20. I mean, it is 20p plus. What? 20p plus. I mean, plus 20. Where? Nucleus. And outer shell electron, minus 20 electrons. Because electron charge is minus, proton charge is plus. Plus minus 0. All of atom, lone atom charge is 0. But when calcium remove 20 electron, how much charge it? 20 proton. Proton is not changed. Nucleus in reaction, in chemical reaction, nucleus cannot be, should not be, must not be react each other. It is a electron reaction. Calculate pass 2. Now, hydroxide. Hydroxide, what is hydroxide? Oxygen bond 2. Calcium bond 2. How? Because 2 plus. 2 plus is a oxidized number, but balance is 2. 2 plus oxidized number, balance 2, balance, calcium balance 2.